Hi, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we are fixing this install. So another shop did it. The install actually has pretty good gear. All the equipment is good equipment, but it's always the devil's in the details, right? So the client is complaining because the car makes this crazy noise. We're gonna show you right now in a little bit. And basically what that noise is ANC, active noise cancellation. So what happens is on these cars, they have a system where it puts certain sounds out of phase in order to cancel the sound so that we don't hear them. Rather than put in more money in sound deadener to the vehicle, they'd rather cheat by using an algorithm to fake the sound and cancel the sound. Kind of the same way that noise canceling headphones work or noise canceling microphones work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you. So Dama is gonna shut the door, Dama. And I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a crazy sound, right? So that noise is the system activating. It doesn't work with the door open. So open the door, she's gonna pop the door. Noise goes away. Shut the door. Noise returns, right? So here's the other thing that you can do. We're not gonna drive, but when we drive, as I accelerate, the noise actually changes because it's now countering a different noise. At idle, it's countering a certain noise, and at RPM, it's countering a different noise. So we're gonna fix that. That's why the client's here. But we just wanted to show you the difference between, because we get this question a lot. People get their systems done. Pop the door for me. Sorry, this noise is crazy. People get the systems done at other places, and again, they're using good gear, they're reputable places, but if they're not familiar with a lot of these intricacies about these newer cars, and this is a 2016, it's a 2016 Audi S6, so it's a beautiful car. It's got the Bang & Olufsen system, you know, with the tweeters, and so it's top of the line. But again, if they don't know how to integrate with these systems, you're gonna have these weird issues. So